Yet, the former vice president with peace in this country, a peaceful man, God-loving person. There is no spilling of blood in this country that has ever been associated with him. And according to us, we have seen other young leaders who have come just the other day, and so much blood has been spilled when they are in leadership. We saw what happened the other day with the agencies. So many of them died because of advocating good governance. And that is why some of us who are on the side of the government, who campaigned for the president who is there now, William Ruto, we decamped from that government, from the ruling Kenya Kwanza government, because of the way this government is being run. A lot of confusion you can see in the government. The medical scheme, the SAR and the SHE, all this confusion. NHIF was running very well. Everybody was benefiting. We don't know what became of the whole idea of this new idea, but we know very well it is corruption. And that is why we are telling our incoming president that this is your right time to come forward and save this country. Na ndio sisi wote, Your Excellency, we are saying, ongoza sisi vile unatuongoza sasa, okoa Kenya. And from where I come from, Mount Kenya region, people are with you 100%. People believe that you are the savior of this country. Na vile the organization has recognized you as a peacemaker. Sisi yote tunakubaliana na wana, tunakongratulate na tunakwambia vile unaongeaga tu pole pole tu kama Kibaki. Hiyo ndio tunataka. Hatutaki watu wa kupiga kelele. Hawa kujipiga kifua tumeona wanaumiza wananchi. Kibaki was talking just slowly like you, mkiwa na yeye na mkaongoza hii nchi, tukapata free education na maendeleo mingi. Tunataka wewe utoe ile manifesto mlikuwa naye na Kibaki, uongoze kutoka 2027, nchi inawili tena. Thank you so much.